Guess that's me. I this week am actually going to show, it's not any net new functionality, but it's more of a pattern combining some existing functionality with some recent functionality. So recently we won't take any credit here. Rob added this ability to do conditional color formatting in the model. And so you can see I've got this status field. I've added conditions for or colors depending on what status an order is in. And then I've gone ahead and I've also added just this copy of that field, referencing the same underlying database field called other status. Over here, I've got a couple queries. You can see that this one is using status, which I've assigned colors to. This one is just getting its colors chosen arbitrarily. It's referencing other status. But if I jump into the model, I could do something like, oh, I want to copy this and I want the same colors for, this field here, but then I'd have to maintain them. You know, if I added new statuses and new colors, I have to maintain it all over the place. So rather than doing that, why don't we take advantage of a feature called extends and templating. So if instead we do something like, what are we going to call this thing? Fun with templates dot status. We'll actually jump over to this view that I've created called Fun with Templates. We're going to add a status dimension. Notice that we've got this template true specification on this view. That makes it so that we won't actually validate this view. It's like declaring something as abstract in a in code. So it's not actually, it's just there for the purpose of extension.
You got that.
I've gone ahead and added, oh, thanks. So I've just copied and pasted that old definition from over there. I've got over here, I want to apply this same color formatting, color specification to other status as well and have it maintained in just one place. I'll jump in, save all, no warnings, everything looks like it's working well. And now if I jump over here, ta-da, that same specification's been applied to this other field. And actually, I kept it simple. These fields are in the same view, but in theory, you could have statuses in various views across your model. And so you can just maintain these color specs in one place. And it felt like a really good application of the template extends pattern. So I just wanted to show that off.
For stuff like event data, where you've got maybe a table per event type that might have the same underlying dimensions on them, this is probably an amazing pattern for, encapsulating formats, colors, stuff like that.